Can you edit this out? What's up, guys? My name is Liam Wilson, and today I'm going to be doing Bailey Travis's makeup. I really have no idea what I'm doing, so this will be interesting. This stuff is Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. I don't know if that's right.
You're only doing my cheek?
I guess so. I don't know. This is an eyeshadow primer, so I'm guessing this goes on your eyes. This is so bad. What's next?
Wow, my face is so shiny. Oh, it's because that primer's like highlighting.
Yeah, and I
Yeah.
put it everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, now we got, I think
Show
this is
them.
eyebrows.
Show them.
This, I think this is, and I have a brush, and it looks like an eyebrow brush.
Oh my god.
What?
Liam, Liam, actually try.
I am trying.
No, you're not. You're like a little kid.
Okay, other one. Ready?
Are you gonna wipe any of that off?
Yeah. Blend it.
You're blending.
Yep. Okay, that one needs to be more darker.
Okay. Liam, oh
Stop,
my god.
I don't
Liam,
know
you're
when.
supposed to actually try.
I am trying. Is that the right color?
Yep.
It is?
Mhm.
Okay. There you Okay.
Oh, Liam, it's all over my face. Look at that.
How did that happen? Oh, wait. Do you just use this?
No. You dip this on that.
On that?
Yep. Just going dip, dip. Are you doing good?
What?
Oh.
Wait, look at me.
Okay. Liam, I feel like, oh my gosh, you're such a makeup guru.
Gotta kind of blend it in with your natural
Yep.
skin tone. It's not that bad. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
I'm not done.
You just got it in my
It's okay. They don't look the same. There you go.
I don't know what to call this.
Eyebrows. Oh, great. This is eyes.
I'm using this today.
Close your eyes. Like, look the other way. You don't get to see
Oh,
what color.
look the other way.
Yeah, you don't get to see what color I choose. Do I use this side of the brush?
Doesn't matter. Whatever.
Okay,
side
now
you-
look that way.
Whatever side you think is best.
Don't look over
You're
here.
not looking.
Here. I have chosen a color.
Did you get a lot of it?
Okay, look over.
Okay.
Yeah.
Liam, stop!
You said
You're
get a lot
gonna
of it.
waste it.
Okay.
You only have to put it on my eyelid.
No, it's so it looks like it's yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Yep.
me rather eye.
You're doing it right. Yep.
Yep.
Good. Yeah. Oh god.
What's next?
You want more color?
Okay. Look the other way.
Oh my gosh. No, don't do the other side yet.
Okay.
It's okay. I'll save your color.
What's
I don't know how I want you to do this.
I'm doing it. It's like a marker.
Liam! No! It's like a tree. Oh, that felt kind of good. Impressive.
Okay, other eye. This side's better. It's better.
Yeah, they're identical.
No, they're not.
I know. Okay, what's next?
Is that it for your eyes? No, I gotta do the underside.
No, we do that
What?
after like concealer and stuff.
You look great.
Thanks.
This is Matte Poreless. It's Fit Me Foundation. Fondant.
What shade?
Where's the shade? Fit Me.
I'm not gonna tell you.
Natural Ivory. This thing goes with this.
Yep.
I don't know where this goes. I'm just gonna put it on your face.
What are you doing?
Do I stick it in there? Do I go like this?
Do whatever. Show the camera what you're doing.
Is that what you do?
Yeah.
Look, I got it.
That's what you do.
Yep.
Oh my god. Liam! I thought at least you would know how to put foundation on.
This is foundation?
Yeah, how
Okay.
how do I put it on though?
I don't know.
You've seen me do it.
I know, but I don't want to pay much attention. I remember!
Oh my gosh, you remember. Give me the camera.
I literally just remembered while I was doing it. And then you rub it in.
No.
Yeah. You put the dots on, and then you rub it.
And then I tap it. Like, like this. Like this. Yep. Perfect.
Look at that eye.
Oh yeah. Looks great. Yeah.
There.
Gosh. Okay. So foundation.
So man.
Yeah, not bad.
Your eyebrows are still the best part.
Alright, moving on.
What is it? Why do I need this again?
Because just take it. Remember the lines?
Yeah! What do I use to do that? Do I use the sponge thing?
I guess after you put the lines on.
Do I use this thing? Okay.
Yeah.
See, you can actually use this stuff to touch up the highlight.
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing. Is this high? This is contour? Is this?
So,
This is powder.
yep, open it.
It's Laura Mercier. You don't pronounce the R.
Yes, I know.
Wait, how do I do it? Why is it only that much?
Because
What's
it's in
the
the
whole?
bottom?
What's the whole rest of the container for?
Bottom, but it's more.
Oh.
Under my eyes. That's where you're supposed to put it.
Oh really?
Oh my god, you're gonna dump
Oh
it.
whoops.
There, just put. Don't. Oh
Stop
my God.
moving.
Don't put it in yet. You gotta let it set. Oh my god. I look like a little kid.
I look like black compared to you.
You did that pretty good. I thought you were gonna be pretty good at this.
I am
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah, that's the word. That's the word for it.
I want to touch it up after
Alright.
with this stuff because this stuff does miracles. So if you ever mess up, make sure you use this. Is this highlight?
Does this look like highlight?
Bronzer.
You read it.
Yeah, I did.
You bought it for me.
I know. I just went to Sephora and asked them what should I get?
You did? You no.
Maybe.
No. Okay, put it on.
I'm just kidding. Is that right?
A little bit. Do you see this like dark spot right
Yeah,
here?
that's where I just put it.
I look like a guy. I look like a drag queen.
That's where you go like this with it, right?
What do I do my other side?
Sure. Here, move your hair. There.
Looks good.
That actually doesn't look bad.
You can pick one. You can do both.
This is lip stuff. No, it's lashes.
Yep.
It says lash on it.
Yep. That's what it is. Are you using that one?
Yeah, because you said it's overrated in your last video. You gotta push them up.
You can do that. What is this? What is that technique?
Oh, I remember. You gotta rough up, so because
Good job.
they're much longer than they seem to be because they're lighter at the end.
You're not doing it right though. That's kind of that's kind of
Stop.
You're gonna get it on my eyelid.
Your videos are the only 2 makeup videos I've ever watched. That actually looks good. That one looks good. You can't see it because of the eyeliner, but that other one looks good.
Yep. They look pretty good to me.
Next, is this finally the highlight? I've been waiting for the... Oh, yes.
Pick a shade.
What I want you to rub it on your hand.
Which one?
Let's see, we're doing a red, white, and blue theme, so... Let's go with Burr.
Burr. Okay, that's Burr.
Okay.
Can't see.
You ready for Burr?
That's what you want?
Yep.
You sure?
No. Don't wipe it on me.
Oh my gosh.
Burr.
Burr.
Look at that highlight popping. Look at that. Oh yeah. Actually, that doesn't look terrible.
Oh my gosh, I'm breaking my neck. You're putting a lot on my forehead. Oh my gosh.
It's popping. Okay, look at.
Look at my forehead. Liam.
Okay.
Oh
okay.
my gosh, I look like I haven't washed my forehead all my life.
Go like this. No, stop. Stop laughing. Stop laughing. Yes. There you go.
That nice shiny forehead.
I still have to do your unders.
Oh yeah, do my unders.
Where's the brush? You had the
Okay.
stuff on it. I wonder how many comments this video will get. Probably like 3. If we can get 40 likes, we'll do part 2.
No, we won't. No, we won't. Oh no, part 2 is where I do your makeup. Yeah, we're gonna do that.
40 likes.
Yeah, and comments.
I want to do, no, not 40 comments.
No.
We'll
no.
get 10 comments, 40 likes.
And I'll do his makeup. I'll do your makeup anyway.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not okay with that.
Okay, that means everyone comment.
40 likes, 10 comments.
Comment right now. Please.
Make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps her out. Make sure to hit that little bell by the subscribe button so you'll never miss a post. What?
Oh my gosh.
What? It looks amazing.
Yeah, it does. You're right.
I want to touch this up though. For real. I need more.
You're gonna touch it up. Here, I'm getting more.
I'm a better makeup artist than I was at the beginning of this video.
Alright.
I highlighted your forehead so well.
What are you doing there?
Everything. Okay. You look like you got, I don't know, recognize kind of, but white instead of dark. God bless you.
Oh my goodness, I look like a shiny thing. Open it.
This is contour.
Open it.
It's contour.
It's lit.
Oh, where's the contour?
But actually, you already contoured right here.
That's bronzer.
Oh my gosh, that's what I contour with.
I'm dumb. Go like this.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Now pucker. Pucker. Okay. Okay, now go like this. Okay, I'm not done yet.
No! Why?
Hey, stop.
Hey.
That was nice. Oops. Now do it. Pucker. Or whatever it's called.
You
You look like a clown. Like the lips.
Maybe we should turn this into a clown makeup tutorial.
Or a drag clown. A drag clown makeup tutorial. A bad drag clown makeup tutorial. Okay, hold up. Let me touch up everything.
No, no, I didn't mean that.
No,
I meant
stop,
wipe.
stop,
I meant
stop.
wipe it off with
Okay.
the Q-tip. I can't believe you just. Okay, so you can use that if you want. Oh, it's hurting me. Never
Stop.
seen this technique.
It works. Try it. That's better.
Yeah, so much better.
That's not
I
as
look like I've been making out with someone for 7 hours. Seriously. Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I look like. That is,
You ready?
and before that, I cried a lot.
I fixed it.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
I want this
I
to
think
be
that's it.
over.
That's it.
That's it. That's it.
Yep.
All right. What do you have to say about this look?
This is the look if you're going to be a if you're gonna be a low class, not very good clown drag queen. 40 likes, 10 comments.
I'll do his makeup.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so excited because I'm.
And it's gonna be
do it
terrible
anyway.
because I'm gonna look like you
You're
have
gonna
to
look
make-
hot.
I can't look like a girl though. Don't make me look like a girl.
Yeah, I'm gonna make. That's the point. Okay, fine. I won't make you look like your face will be like.
Like and comment and subscribe.